Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Windows Wireless Service WLAN SBC is not running on this computer. So usually this error message happens when the Windows WLAN service is disabled on your computer and wireless network. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung services, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa services and services local, so kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows WLAN auto config. So scroll down lang tayo and then locate natin. So makikita mo na dito ng WLAN auto config. So ang next step, so click mo lang yan and then double click. And dito lang sa kanyang properties at dito sa general, and then select mo lang dito yung startup type na dapat automatic. And then dito sa running, i-click mo lang dito yung stop and wait natin. And dito sa service status, and i-click mo ulit dito yung start and then wait natin. And then click mo lang dito yung apply and click mo lang dito yung okay, alright? So after dito sa services, and then ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong services. Dito lang ulit sa search menu, so click mo lang yan. At dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung control panel. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung arrow na yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then select mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. So click lang natin yan. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung network and sharing centers. Alright? So, i-click lang natin yan. And next step, so dito lang sa left side menu. And then select mo lang dito yung change advanced sharing center. Okay? So, click mo lang yan. And next step, so dito lang sa kanyang network and discovery, so dapat naka-turn on ito. Okay? So, kapag naka-turn off, i-turn on mo lang siya. Dapat naka-set up network connected devices automatically. Okay? So, naka-automatic po yan. Same naman dito sa kanyang file and printer sharing, naka-turn on yan. Alright? So, after dito, and then next step. So, dito lang sa left side menu, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung change adapter settings. So, click mo lang yan. And then, makikita mo na dito or select mo lang dito yung ating connection type. Alright? So, i-select mo lang tong ating connection type na Wi-Fi. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And next step ay kailangan mo na itong i-enable. Okay? So, enable lang natin to. Okay? So, kapag nakita mo dito yung enable na button, so click mo lang siya. Alright? So, pwede mo naman i-check dito yung kanyang status. So, click mo lang yan. And then ito na siya. Alright? So makita mo na dito yung ating connections. Okay? So ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix the Windows wireless service is not running on this computer. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.